We are so back.
Kinda. Maybe. Bitcoin has had a beautiful bounce off this trend line. It's looking to test this line, and to be honest, what I think is going to happen is this thing will probably continue up, possibly test this area, and then come down, retest the trend line, and then hopefully shoot off from there. So I would be careful, maybe not FOMO in too much right now. Let's see where this goes. The key area to pass is clear. This 94,000 area is the area that this Bitcoin needs to reclaim and hold. It is the fundamental number. This thing could go all the way up to here and potentially reject still. But I'm going to say that this number here, 94,000, it needs to clear that so we can get a full bullish divergence. What's really great is that the volume is going up. I'm assuming it's a bit of FOMO, but it's volume going up. Volume going up is great in these industries, and it could always push the market higher. One interesting thing, though, is that Bitcoin dominance is still not rolling over. It's still holding that trend line, and I expect that when this finally breaks, then we will start seeing the alts go absolutely parabolic, even though we're getting some movement in alts already. I would say the key number is to break this monthly open, and once it does that, along with the trend line, where it is go time for all coins. What is good is the USDT dominance is breaking trend finally. But I will say one thing and one thing only. The key number to look for is the 4.86%. This 4.86%, if it breaks that, we are in full-blown recovery mode, and everything will start to explode up from there. Remember, I said that there was a turnaround in the total market cap, and I said there would most probably be a continuation up to this point. Let's see what happens. The key number is the 2.98 trillion level. That area has confluence with the 94,000 level on Bitcoin. Let's see where that goes. Let's see what happens, and let's see whether this recovery is actually a recovery. I told you about this hash rate indicator in the previous video. You guys should watch it. Honestly, you need to watch these videos all the way to the end, because it gives you the key information on what's happening. It has signaled a buy order, and I stated it. I said that it looks like it's turning over and the gap is closing, and these things are the things that actually dictate where Bitcoin is going. Another great thing is finally we've broken that downtrend on the RSI. The one thing I will say with the RSI, though, I wish, what would be great if the RSI is increasing, but Bitcoin has a bit of a turn back down, a retracement back down, then we will get a absolute confirmation of a bearish diversion in the RSI, and that is an extremely bullish sign. Just to be clear, I expect something like this to happen. To be honest, if something like this happens, that would be the ultimate key thing to do. There's another area it could bounce from this area down as well and then go up, but these are the two zones that this thing can go, reach, touch, and then we will see where it goes from there. Still, this 94 area level is extremely key. Let's see what goes on. Let's see what happens, and it's going to be an interesting week. One thing I will say is that this week we have some key informational data coming out, GDP growth numbers, PPI growth numbers, a lot of growth and stocks and margin calls and a whole bunch of stuff that is going to be coming out. It's key. Let's be careful. Let's be understanding. I'm enjoying that things are going up. I stated several times it looks like the market is turning into a bit of a rally area. I said it last week. I said it towards the weekend. I kept telling you guys that this was a possibility to go on, and I said possibly Sunday, Monday. I thought it would be Monday. It actually started on Sunday. So make sure you watch these things. Make sure you understand what's going on. And if you want more information like this, make sure you check out the premium trade and signals group that we have that has been showing all this information for many times to come. Anyway, I'm Alvarez, a 7-figure crypto investor. Like, follow, share, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.